Hello, in this video, I will show you how you can transfer money out of your AmaPay account. Send money to anywhere in the world from your AmaPay account. It's very straight to the point. Make sure you have an active internet connection on your device. Open your browser and visit the AmaPay website. It's amapay.co.co. When the site has fully loaded, if you don't have an account, click on the create account button on your screen. Or if you already have an account, you have to log in by clicking on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. When you click the menu icon, you see the sign in button, click on the sign in button, and you'll be taken to the login page. On the login page, just enter the account details. That's the phone number you used for opening this AmaPay account, and also your password. So in our case, I'll just enter the phone number I used to open this AmaPay account. Then you enter your password. Then you click on the login button. So when you click on the login button, you are taken to this page where you can start your transfer. So I will show you how you can view the exchange rate before starting the transfer. But I'll show you that after I have successfully shown you how to transfer. Okay, so just watch this video to the end. So click on the transfer button. All right, if you already have an existing beneficiary, all right, you can simply select that beneficiary from this drop down. So what that means is that you already saved the beneficiary. I'll show you how to save a beneficiary now. So for you to save a beneficiary, that's if you're transferring for the first time to somebody that you've not transferred to before, what you should click on is new beneficiary. All right. So you have to select the destination country. Where what country is that person located in? So it is in this case Nigeria. The currency that person is using, that's the account, the currency of the account you are transferring to. In our case, it is Naira, so it's NGN. Okay, but if it is USD, select USD. You will notice that depending on the currency you selected and the country as well, that will determine the fields that you have to fill below here. So in our case, I'll just select NGN. All right, if you are transferring to let's say uh to the United States, for instance, okay, and you come down here, you have to select United States. You can see the currency here is USD. You can change it to GBP. So that just input the information that is necessary for the country and the currency that you have selected. So I'll just come back here. If it's also Alipay, if you're sending to China to Alipay wallet, just type in China. And you can see the currency here is RMB. If it's USD you want to send, select USD. In our case, it could be RMB. So just fill in these details. So in our case, I'll just go back and choose Nigeria, since that is what I want to, show you in this video. It's very easy. The process is similar for the other currencies and countries that you may want to transfer to. So I'll just select the bank name. In our case, I'll just say the United Bank for Africa. And then the account number, I'll say 211, and then you wait because of it is Nigeria. If you're sending to Nigeria Naira, is a Naira account you're trying to use. After inputting the phone number, it automatically gets the account name linked to that account number. All right, so you just have to be very patient. It takes a few seconds. It's not doesn't take that long. So you click on save and continue. When you click on save and continue, this beneficiary has been saved. All right. So in case you want to transfer next time to this beneficiary, you click on existing beneficiary instead of clicking on new beneficiary. Even if you click on new beneficiary, it will work. If you click on existing beneficiary, it just shows the name of that of this beneficiary that you saved, making it very easy for you, so you don't have to input the details from scratch again. So in our case, just input the amount you wish to send, which is Naira, NGN. So I'll just say I want to send 10,000 Naira. For instance, you can see the exchange rate showing here. You can see the exchange rate showing here. You can see the transfer fee also showing here. So depending on the currency you selected, if you selected RMB, USD, you should see the transfer fee here. You should see the exchange rate here as well. So you have to input the purpose of the transaction. What is the reason for this transaction? So in that case, I'll just say transfer to friend. Then you can see here your available balance to know if it is sufficient to cover for this transaction. The total you have to pay will be displayed here. That's plus the fee. So here you can see your available balance if it's enough. All right. So if it's enough, just click on continue. So here you have to confirm the details before clicking confirm. All right. So you can see the bank name is correct, the account number is correct, the beneficiary name is correct. Then you click on the confirm button. When you click on the confirm button, uh, a code will be sent to you, a verification code will be sent to you to ensure that you are the one that is trying to initiate this transfer out of your account, all right, to protect your funds. So you input that code, the code has been sent to me right now. I'm about to input it, all right. So you click on confirm after inputting that code, and then takes a few seconds and this is loading. You wait for it to load. After it has fully loaded, you should see the transaction receipt on your screen. This shows that the money has been transferred successfully to the beneficiary. All right, you can decide to download the receipt or just click on the close button at the top here. That's the X button to close this, and then you'll be redirected back to the dashboard. And just like that, you have successfully initiated a transfer, and the beneficiary, that's the recipient, the receiver, has gotten the money. Now, for you to check the exchange rate before initiating a transfer, just click on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. So you can just click on exchange rate, choose the currency you are sending from, which is Naira in our case. Then you can choose the destination currency. You can say, I have received the 10,000 Naira I just sent now. So you can see it's very, very fast. So choose the destination currency that you want to send to. So if what you want to send is RMB, for instance, or US dollars, or um, XOF, or pounds, you can just select it here to see the exchange rate before starting the transfer. All right. So in this case, we just select RMB, for instance. You click on the get rate button, and then you can see the current exchange rate. The rate changes from time to time, but this is what the current exchange rate is. And then after viewing the exchange rate, you may want to start a new transfer, and that is how easy it is to check the exchange rate even before starting the transaction to save you time. All right. So, as I said, if you want to view an existing beneficiary, I want to show you how to do that. Okay, that's you have already saved a new beneficiary. For instance, as you can see, we've saved the beneficiary, which is the name Michael. And then you want to see that beneficiary. Instead of clicking, you want to send to that beneficiary again. Let's say next time, instead of clicking new beneficiary again, just click on existing beneficiary, which is already selected. Then you type in the name of that beneficiary. So in our case, is Michael. And therefore, you can see the account name here. So if you save the beneficiary, you can just see the beneficiary details here. Click on continue, and then you can send to that beneficiary without having to put all the details of that beneficiary again from scratch. So that is how easy it is for you to initiate a transfer on AmaPay. All right. And then if you want to delete the beneficiary at any time, you can simply do that by coming down here, viewing the beneficiary details, and clicking the remove beneficiary button, and successfully deleted that beneficiary. That's how you can remove beneficiaries from your AmaPay account. You can view your recent transactions. So when you transfer money out of your AmaPay account, you can view it down here on your dashboard. So you can see we have this place. Just slide it to the right, slide to the right, and then you can see the status of that transaction, if it was successful, or if it failed, or if it was reversed. So most times, 99.9% of the time, it is successful. All right. So you can see it right here. And then if you want to view more transactions in the past, you can click on the see all button here, which simply takes you to the transactions page. You understand? This is the same thing. All right. And then you can just slide to the right, and then you can see the status of your transaction. So it's that easy for you to start using the AmaPay application. Thank you. For more information, you may want to deposit funds into your AmaPay application. There's a separate video for that. Okay, just click on deposit. You will see the account number that is linked to your AmaPay account. Send money to this account number, and then your account will be funded. You can see how to use the AmaPay application. It's very straightforward. Thank you.